Many of my clients will ask me, if I file bankruptcy, can I wipe out my mortgage debt? As a general rule, if you're keeping your house, mortgage debt cannot be wiped out. Now, on the other hand, if you're filing a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and you're giving up your house and you want the mortgage company to foreclose, then yes, you're wiping out your liability on that debt. But if you're filing a Chapter 7 and you're trying to keep your house, then you're going to have to stay current on all of your mortgage payments, whether it's a first mortgage or a second mortgage or a third mortgage. Now, on the other hand, if you're filing a Chapter 13, the general rule is that if you're going to keep your house, then you have to continue to pay your mortgage payments through your payment to the bankruptcy trustee, whether that's a first mortgage or a second mortgage. However, there's a concept in a Chapter 13 case that's known as stripping a mortgage. What stripping a mortgage means is that if your house is worth less than the current payoff balance on your first mortgage, then you may be able to wipe out your liability on your second mortgage through filing a lawsuit against the mortgage company in your Chapter 13 case. In other words, if your house is worth $100,000 and the payoff on your first mortgage is $110,000, and let's say you have a second mortgage with a balance of $30,000, since the current payoff on the first mortgage is more than the value of your house, you may be able to strip or wipe out the second mortgage in a Chapter 13 case and not have to continue to make your regular monthly mortgage payments on your second mortgage. But the concept of stripping a mortgage only applies in a Chapter 13 case. It does not apply in a Chapter 7, and it only applies if the value of your house is less than the amount owed on the first mortgage.